Hey everybody, it's Eric from Eric and Zach's Outdoors. We just wrapped up the 9-day gun season here in Wisconsin. It was very successful. My son got his biggest buck ever, a nice 11-point buck. I'll show you a picture here in a second. My archery season was very good. I ended up getting a nice 10-point buck with my crossbow. I'll also show you a picture here in a second. And I ended my 2022 rifle season with a nice small 8-point buck, which I'll show you a picture right here. I donated that deer to a friend of mine and they were very happy. So now it's off to ice fishing, so stick with us friends, and we're gonna bring you some great action this winter. And thanks again for coming along. Eric and Zach's Outdoors. All right, looks like we got everything packed up. We're ready to rock and roll for tomorrow morning. Leaving town here about 3 o'clock, going to pick up a buddy. And we'll be heading up 3 hours north. Looking forward to it. Don't forget your spud bar at this time of year, friends. one. Ready? One. Hold it. Grab that other sled there. It's ice fishing time, friends. Let's do it. Morning, everybody. Ice fishing 2022 starts right now. Everybody, welcome to Eric and Zach's Outdoors. We're ice fishing. Don't know that we're gonna have much luck today, but we're gonna give it a shot and see what we can find out here on the lake. So stay with us and we'll see what we can catch for you. All right, you ready to catch some fish today, Zach?
Yep.
All right, hopefully we can catch a few at least. It's been a slow day so far, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, we're here. We'll give it a shot. Stay tuned. We did try to do some jigging here this morning. Wasn't very successful, so we're just sitting in the shack, staying warm and waiting for a flag. So stuck on something. Maybe it's a turtle or something. I don't know. It's like stuck on a stick or something. Fish is on there, I can feel it. I guess we just have to let it see if it unfrees itself, I guess.
Let's hope.
I don't know what to do here.
It's stuck on something.
It must be on a log or something.
Oh, really?
Alright, looks like we got fish.
Yeah, and the fish got me. But they stuck me pretty good.
What you got there?
I got blood. That's fish blood. No.
Nice.
Watch your
I'm
line
stepping
there.
on the fish.
Where's the minnow?
Alright, what we're gonna do now is move some tip-ups around. Bit of a slow morning so far. Got a few fish on the ice. Got a nice little northern. My buddy John got a few bluegills, a couple perch. But we're gonna try switching things around a little bit and see what we can come up with. So stay tuned.
Spinning like crazy.
All right, good.
Don't feel it big, but whatever it is, it's pumping now.
Let's get him this time.
Oh, 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 oh. He's not happy. Ryan, get your head up in there.
What's that?
Bigger one, huh? All right. Calm down.
Which one is that?
All right,
Northern pike?
Another pike, yep.
let's get a good picture of that one there. All right.
You got a fish.
We got him.
That's good. Ooh.
Recording.
Yeah, it's recording. Got one, everybody.
See how you take your time like that?
Mm-hmm.
Then you reel them back up. Once they take the line like that.
Oh, yeah. That's nice. Looks like a northern pike. It is?
Yep.
Ooh, hopefully it's a big northern pike. Bigger than shark. Here it is. Oh my god, that's massive. That is massive.
All right, got one. All right, Zach, come on, you can do it. Yep, that's good, just like that. Got him. All right. Congratulations. It's your first frickin' northern through the ice, buddy. What do you think? That's a nice fish. All right, congratulations. Hold up one more time. All right, buddy. Put your first northern back in the hole. Congratulations.
Thanks.
All right, we just picked up a few fish here in the last half hour. Hopefully the flags will just start popping here before dark and we'll get a few more fish and we'll call it a day. We're gonna stick it out here another couple hours, so we'll see what happens.
There's another flag up there. There's a flag somewhere else. But there's a flag up. Is it spinning?
No, not yet. Just watch it. Give it a second.
A flag over there too.
It spun for a second, but sometimes they take a bit, but I'm guessing it's probably a drop. Just a drop. Might be another bass. Sometimes them bass do that.
2 flags already. You feel anything?
Got him. He might run.
He's still there. He's still there.
on, hold on, hold on. Hold on.
Yes.
All right, action's picked up a little bit here in the last half hour. Just picked up 3 fish, bass, a couple northerns. Hopefully we'll get a couple more here. Stay tuned. Thanks for sticking with me. Hey everybody, we're gonna start wrapping things up for this first trip up north. Had a successful day, had a few pike, bass, a few panfish. All in all, pretty successful for the first time out. And we look forward to getting out many more times this season. Hopefully we'll bring you some more fishing action on Eric and Zach's Outdoors. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.